One of my favorite things to use is the 1176 compressor, and I don't have one of these guys, but I have a plug-in of it. We're going to be comparing the 1176 and the LA2A against their digital counterparts. We're going to be recording everything through the SSL AWS-24, and then later I'm going to show you guys the plugins in Reason. The parameters on the Outboard unit will be the exact same as the parameters on the plugins. Let's jump into it.
Take control, take control, take control, take control. You can change the world. Take control, take control, take control, take control. You can change the world.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see the next one, click right here. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the little bell for notifications. Down below in our description, you'll see a link to our website and our socials. Thank you guys. Have an awesome one.